Locations: Taman Botani Putrajaya. Our group member: Chang Ti Wing, Shang Zun Fui, Liu Zhu Hao, Ahmed Mustafa Gashout, Zhang Chung Hao, Gao Chen Yang, David Martin Tan. Plants in Taman Botani Putrajaya. There are many beautiful flowers. There are many different trees here. The most common are coconut tree. Animals and insects in Taman Botani Putrajaya. The species of this bird is Sabia uner. We also saw the cute squirrel. This oriental magpie robin is singing.
You are going to uni? No, but like I can drive him if like the car is crowded or something. I can drive him. Okay.
Bourbon red. Bango. Saprinus rubrifuscus hematopterus. The common flanger tail. Dragonfly. Found in Taman Botani Putrajaya. Non-living things in Taman Botani Putrajaya. Water boating. Family bicycle. Emergency facility. Electrical substation. Bag leaves. Green trash bin. Toilet. Rules and Regulation Board. Thanks for watching.